In this video, we're going to look at probability notation and how we notate the different probabilities. We're going to do that by looking at this Venn diagram. So a Venn diagram works by having two circles that intersect each other. And so if they share common characteristics, then they're in the middle intersection that's common to both of the different circles. We'll go ahead and label our two circles. The circle on the left, we'll go ahead and label A. And the circle on the right, we'll go ahead and label B. If we're interested in talking about the probability of event A, we'd write that as P, open parenthesis, A, close parenthesis. This indicates we're looking at the probability that event A will happen. Now going back to the Venn diagram, we can see what is actually included in the probability of A. It's all the stuff included in the circle that's labeled as A. Instead, we looked at the probability of B. Looking at the Venn diagram again, I'll highlight this stuff included in blue. It includes both parts of the B circle. Look at when both events A and B will happen at the same time. We write that as P, open parenthesis, A, and, which is this intersection symbol, which looks like an upside down U, and B, close parenthesis. This indicates the probability of when both A and B will happen at the same time, which is indicated here in blue as just the middle piece, the intersection of the two Venn diagrams. Now, if instead of we're looking at the probability of them both happening at the same time, we look at the probability of when either one will happen, we change our intersection symbol to a union symbol, which looks like a U. This indicates when either A or B will happen, which, looking at the Venn diagram, is these three pieces. The probability of A that's outside the intersection, the part of the circle of B that's outside the intersection, and the intersection itself. Oftentimes we're interested in when an event doesn't happen. This is called the complement. So we write the probability of A complement, and we do so by adding an apostrophe next to the A. That indicates when the probability that event A did not happen. Parts of the Venn diagram that indicate this are the parts of the B circle that's outside of the intersection, as well as all of the space that's outside of both circles. Finally, we'll look at the last situation is when we have both A and B not happening. So we have the probability of A complement and B complement. On the Venn diagram, these are the pieces that are outside of both circles, as is shown here in blue.